Hey guys. Hey guys, so today it is 15th of August and I am vlogging today, so we are doing something interesting. So there is a program in our apartment, like a lot of stalls will be there, a lot of activities, a lot of sports will be there, and we are keeping a stall for chicken barbecue. So me, my husband and my kid I'll be taking you through whatever I do today. Today is going to be a little bit hectic, like a lot of fun also. So I thought, okay, let me take you guys. So I'll vlog using my phone only. And yeah, next I just finished my bathing. Now my hair is up. Now I'll finish my makeup and then go for the stall starting and all this. So the makeup I'm going to do is basic. So I will be standing in front of barbecue and it's raining outside also. So I want something makeup which just stays for a long time. So I'm going to prime my face. This primer is quite doing good for me, the L'Oreal Beige Magic. Priming is very important. This will hold the makeup and also cover the pores. Let it sit for some time. Next I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Brow Artist Pomade. Foundation, I'm going to use this mixture of these two. It won't move at all. So next I'm going to move on to concealer. I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Matte. So concealer, not matte. And this Lakme concealer to highlight my face. 15th August celebration. So we opened a stall for chicken barbecue. It is over. I could not take much clips from that because it was so much running. We did not expect to be so much running. And yeah, now let's see how the party looks like in my apartment.